Hello friends, welcome back to Alphas Tech. And today in this video I am showing that how to check your daily data usages and how many data is left in your device. And at first you need to download a application and the app link is given below the video description. And after downloading the application, just open the application in your device. And after that you can see more of the permissions are asking by using this application. And at first you need to enable this usage access permission from here by using this option. And after that you will directly enter to your settings, and once again you want to enable this option from here. And after that go back to the application, and after that you can see phone permissions, it's not very important. And after that you can see, just click this done option from here. And after that here you can see once again you will see a new interface of this application. And after that you want to just select the start service option from here by using this toggle bar. And after that you can see 260 MB has been used today, and this month I have used 12 GB, up to 12 GB has been used in this month. And after that here you can see extreme usage mode, it's not important. And after that you can see set data warning, and you want to just select this set data warning option from here. And after that you can see example 1024, and you want to just select this, and here you want to type your valid data plan. If you are using an example here, I am saying that if you are using that 1.5 GB data plan, you want to type here 1000 MB from here. And after that you want to just select this set option, and after that you can see warning is set as to 1000 MB, we will notify you later. And after reaching your daily data limit up to 1000 MB or 1 GB, you will get a warning by using this application. And after that you can see pop-up reminder, and you want to just enable this option. If you enable this, all the data information will appear in a notification bar as a pop-up message. And the frequency of pop-up, here you can see 2 minutes, and if you want to get more time you want to just scroll this to this side. And after that you can see 25 minutes, 26 minutes, and every 26 minutes you will get the your latest data collections or your data usages from by using this application. And I hope you have enjoyed our video, and if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.